Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do another salad. And this time, we're going all the way to Mexico.
Yes, the Caesar salad was actually invented in Mexico. A little bit about the Caesar salad. This was invented by an Italian immigrant named Caesar Cardini. The salad was invented in 1924 in Mexico. Caesar Cardini was a restaurateur and had many restaurants in the US and Mexico. This salad is one of the most famous salads in the world.
So for today's video, we're gonna do the Caesar salad. It's very simple salad to make and it is super delicious when you're in a hurry.
So to start off with, let's make the croutons. For this recipe, I'm using a day-old sourdough loaf. Slice your sourdough, then cut it into bite-sized pieces, or for a more rustic look, tear it with your hands. Season with some sea salt and toss it onto a baking tray. Add some olive oil. Give it a nice mix. You could add some herbs, that's optional, and toss it into the oven for about 8 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Now for the dressing, take a clove of garlic, add a pinch of sea salt, some crushed black pepper, the zest of a lemon, and give it a nice pound. Now for your liquid ingredients, add your Worcestershire sauce, some fresh lemon juice, and for my eggs, I'm cooking them for 4.5 minutes, and I'm gonna add 2 egg yolks. A lot of people don't like raw eggs, so this is an alternate to that. You could also use a raw egg yolk if you please. Add a dollop of mustard, some grated Parmesan, and drizzle the olive oil. Your mix should literally take 2 to 3 minutes. You could also use a blender, but it should look nice and creamy, something like this. Look how nice and creamy and beautiful that is. Now take half a head of romaine lettuce Now traditionally, you could either quarter your lettuce or you could cut it into half. But I like to cut my lettuce into strips for a better presentation. Slice your lettuce and then toss it into a bowl. Drizzle with your Caesar dressing. Give it a nice toss. Do not dress your salad too early or the leaves will wilt away. Once your salad is nicely tossed, place it onto a plate. Add your sourdough croutons and then grate some Parmesan. Optionally, you could add some seafood, bacon, or some chicken. Just crisp up the bacon and sprinkle over your salad. The bacon will add another umami flavor and a nice fatty texture to your salad. And there you have it, a simple, delicious and easy to make Caesar salad. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. There will be many more recipes coming up, and all the recipes, as always, will be in the description. Till next time, bon appetit.